Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send a wire transfer with US Bank Online Banking. First thing I want you to do, once you're logged into your dashboard, click here on Transfer and Pay, then click here on External Transfers and Wires. From here, click on Wire Transfers, scroll down, choose your type of wire, so we have domestic, then here we can select the account to pay from. So we go ahead and select that. You come right here, you can view all your dollar limits and enter your amount that you want right there. So we'll go ahead and choose $2,000. We can send up to 10,000. Choose your date you want to send on. You can select one from here, and then you can enter the purpose of this wire transfer. You can enter some reference information as well. You'll see the transaction fee. Just click here on continue, and now you enter the recipient information, the name, the address right here, and then you go ahead and click here on continue. Then you enter the recipient's bank details, a routing number, account number, and then you re-enter the account number here as well. And then what I want you to do is click here on continue. We'll pick up some more details. Go ahead and click on that, agree the terms, click on submit, and then here you can go ahead and review it. As you can see, transfer has been submitted. But that is how to send a wire transfer with US Bank Online Banking. Found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Answer Unlocked. Really helps me out as well.